Two blocks are connected as seen in the following diagram. So here's this one again. Friction is 0.3. So let's see what force is. There's a force of gravity. It's going to be tension. It's going to be tension. And yes, there is force of gravity here. Force normal. We call this Fg2, Fg1. Now there's also that force of friction pulling backwards. Okay. So again, those t's are going to cancel out. So when we write our equation, we get ma is equal to Fg2 is being opposed by that force of friction. We can add that 1 in if we want, because it's block 1. So overall, the mass is 23.5 kilograms. It's being accelerated by some amount. 8.50 kilograms times 9.81. And the friction is, again, force of friction is mu Fn. Fn is equal to Fg. Fg is just mg. So our coefficient is 0.30. Mass is 15.0 kilograms. And that's multiplied by 9.81. Okay. And be careful with the mass. We're not doing the 23. Only that 15.0 kilogram mass is in contact with the ground. So you have 8.5 times 9.81. That's our driving force. It's being opposed by friction. 0.3 times 15 times 9.81. And it's accelerating that 23.5 kilogram mass. So that's 1.7 or 1.6698 meters per second squared. We'll round that to 1.7 meters per second squared. So that is our answer. And what is tension? Choose one of the two blocks. It doesn't matter which one. For example, I can do the hanging block. If you're not sure, I would highly recommend solving for the other one in your notes. You should be able to get the exact same answer. If you forget, just look at the past examples. So this is object 2. It's accelerating downwards. I'm going to say down is the positive direction. So I have M2A. Right, so this is block 2 is accelerating at 1.7 meters per second squared. What is causing that acceleration? Fg2, and it's being opposed by there's some tension pulling backwards. Something's holding it back. So we can solve for that. So you get T is equal to Fg2 minus M2A. Okay, so let's plug in 8.5 times 9.81 minus 8.5 times 1.6698. We get 69 newtons. Again, solve for the other scenario to confirm.